Since 1994, South Essex Fabricating has been a leader in greenhouse solutions. As both a manufacturer and general contractor, our team offers 360-degree greenhouse solutions that seamlessly connect project design, manufacturing, installation, project management, and customer support. Each greenhouse we build is unique, with designs and project plans tailor-made to best fit the needs of our clients. It is always our goal to deliver cutting-edge solutions that will best serve the needs of our customers. And now our team is going beyond the greenhouse industry, offering pre-engineered steel building solutions from project design, construction, and project management. Our team accounts for all aspects of steel building infrastructure. We are committed to leveraging our knowledge, experience, and imagination to help advance the business goals of our clients. With our 360-degree solutions across both greenhouses and steel buildings, we don't just build structures, we build futures.